Hi guys, welcome to our Gemstone deal channel. Today I bring for you a new video, a new gemstone that is very beautiful and very nice stone. That is, the name of the stone is Topaz. Topaz is coming from Pakistan, from Afghanistan, Brazil, China, Burma, different countries of Africa. The regions are many, and so many stones is coming in the market, and that is basic color of the stone is white, and some from some mines coming light blue color, light shade like a aquamarine color, light aquamarine color, like Pakistani aquamarine color. So these are the basic color of the stone, and coming from the different regions of the world. And after treatment, the color can be improved, like a Swiss blue, like London blue, like rich blue colors, and like sky blue colors, light aquamarine light colors can be produced with the treatment of a stone. And for the treatment, I will discuss you in the next video, which is on the treatment of the stone. Only we will discuss about the treatment of the stone. And the hardness of the stone is 7.5 like this, and not more than 7.8, because the 8 is 7.5. The 8 is emerald. It is below emerald. So the hardness of the stone is 7.5. This stone is coming in different sizes, like big size, like small sizes, but the mostly clean coming, and no clean, not in that quantity that which we expect, but many quantities coming in clean, you can say. And this is not most expensive stone, and it is coming from many regions that are producing not good quality, but it can be heated, it can be treated, then improvement for the improvement of the clarity and the quality. So in this video I explain you that the identification of the topaz, how you can identify the stone in front of you, and you can differentiate what is the topaz and what is the color of the topaz. So I explained you about the existence and the color and the region of the stone. If you see by the region to region, the topaz having its own natural existence, that is showed that what is the region of the stone. So if you want to do a business, if you want to buy for yourself, and you can buy without a problem. And my only the meanings and purpose of making these videos and convey the knowledge of the gemstones only for if you somebody want to do a business, because it is a sensitive business. Nobody can do without any sufficient knowledge. It is a very doubtful thing that you can lose your all the money if you do without any knowledge. So that's why I am here to explain you. And the topaz identification I already told you. In the next video I will tell you about the hardness of the stone, how is it very important to get now, and why we want to check first of all the hardness of the stone. Because when you are going to buy, if you don't know about the hardness of the stone, and then you there is a very big chances that you will be get cheated from other peoples who are selling these stones. So in the market, everywhere in the world, people are using very high quantity, like synthetic stones. Everybody is wearing synthetic stone, and even they don't know about the stone which is very varying by them is real or fake. So until the next video, see you in the next video, and I will explain you about the hardness of the stone. Hi guys, welcome to our gemstone deal.